Duffel bag, backseat.
This video addresses kids who are aversive to nail cutting and what you can do to try to help them. This is just one video in a video series, so please be sure to check out the tools video so that you can use this strategy once you determine the type of tool that is most effective. So this next strategy refers to a way to provide desensitization to a child's fingers. So one way to do this is to have the child take their hands, rub them briskly together for 20 seconds, like this, briskly, quickly, or if you have a carpet in the house, they could take their fingers and rub them briskly against the carpet for 20 seconds. But what we want to do is create some type of very nice deep pressure rubbing sensation on the hands for a 20-second period. Then, again, if you have a carpet, you could take the fingertips and rub them back and forth this way for 20 seconds. So the idea is that we are providing a lot of deep pressure into the overall hand region, into the fingertip region as well, prior to the task. So this can be a simple warm-up technique for nail cutting that hopefully will help your child feel a lot more calm. So you could try the rubbing, whether it's against the hands, whether it's on a carpet in this direction, and then taking the fingertips on a carpet and sort of rubbing them back and forth for 20 seconds, and then trying the nail cutting. So give this a try and see if it works. There are many, many strategies to help kids with nail cutting, and for some kids that really crave a good amount of deep pressure to feel organized, this one can be very useful. So if that describes your child, this might be a good trick for you.
In my mind, you're a driver.